Today, we will be discussing the perfect roadmap to become a full-stack developer. Are you ready to embark to an exciting journey into the world of full-stack development? A roadmap that will empower you with the skills and knowledge to build extraordinary digital experiences from the ground up. Welcome to the MindMajix full-stack development roadmap tutorial that will guide you through the thrilling roadmap of becoming a powerhouse full-stack developer. In today's fast-paced and interconnected world, businesses and individuals rely on cutting-edge web applications and seamless user experiences. But what does it take to become a full-stack developer? What skills and techniques should you master to excel in this ever-evolving field? Fear not, with the help of the MindMajix full-stack developer certification training, you can get ready to embark on this inspiring journey. Open your mind to the possibilities, unleash your creativity, and join us as we unlock the full potential of full-stack development. Get ready to become the architect of digital future. From the foundation to front-end development, where HTML, CSS, and JavaScript come alive, to the intricacies of back-end development, where databases, server-side programming, and APIs seamlessly interact, our roadmap has you covered. We will traverse the realms of user experience, data management, security, and deployment strategies, equipping you with a diverse set of tools and techniques to conquer any challenges that comes your way. Having said that, if these are the type of videos you'd like to watch, then get subscribed to the channel and hit the bell icon so that you never miss on any of our future content. Without further ado, let's get started. In today's session, we will learn about the following. Why you should become a full-stack developer? What is full-stack development exactly? How would you become a full-stack developer? Prerequisites and skills required to become a full-stack developer. Steps to become a full-stack developer. Firms or the organizations which are totally dependent on full-stack developers. Salary of a full-stack developer and the companies hiring full-stack developers. And after this, finally, the most important point of today's session, that is, how can MindMajix help you become a full-stack developer? Now, let's get started with the first point, that is, why become a full-stack developer? A full-stack developer technically has a judicious mix of skills, both from front-end and back-end. Becoming a full-stack developer allows you to build end-to-end web applications, giving you the versatility to work on both front-end and back-end. It offers a wide range of career opportunities, providing a holistic understanding of development, enabling faster development cycles, and fosters independence in creating complete solutions. Becoming a full-stack developer can be beneficial in several reasons. Let me explain you why in a simple way. First, you will have versatility. Next, independence. Followed by that, you will be having that problem-solving skill set. About that, you have a wide range of career opportunities, and it will definitely offer you an experience of continuous learning. We will understand each one of these points in a better way. Firstly, versatility. A full-stack developer is skilled in both front-end and back-end development. This means you can work on all aspects of web application development, from designing its user interface to building a server-side functionality. Being versatile allows you to handle different tasks and contribute to various parts of the project. Followed by that, we have independence. As a full-stack developer, you have the ability to work independently. You don't have to rely on others from every aspect of development process. You can handle tasks such as setting up databases, creating APIs, and implementing user interfaces all by yourself. This independence gives you more control and flexibility in your work. Followed by this, the problem solving. Full-stack developers are problem solvers. They have a comprehensive understanding of both the front-end and the back-end components, enabling them to identify and fix issues at different levels. This skill set allows you to take a holistic approach to problem solving and come up with efficient solutions. Next, we have career opportunities. Full-stack developers are high in demand in the job market. Many companies are looking for professionals who can handle the entire development cycle. By becoming a full-stack developer, you open up to a wide range of career opportunities and increase your chances of finding meaningful employment. According to a report from LinkedIn, the demand for full-stack developers has increased at 35% each year since the year 2015. Another report from US Bureau of Labor Statistics states that the number of jobs available for these professionals will increase from 135,100 to over 853,000 by the year 2026. The continuous learning opportunities. Technology is constantly evolving, and as a full stack developer, you will need to keep up with the latest trends and tools. This means you will always be learning and expanding your knowledge base. If you enjoy continuous learning and staying up to date with the new technologies, then becoming a full stack developer can be a rewarding choice. With this, we will move ahead into the next point, that is, what exactly is full stack development? Full stack development refers to the ability to work on both the front-end and back-end components of a web application. It involves handling tasks such as designing user interfaces, implementing server-side logic, managing databases, and ensuring the smooth functioning of entire system. In other words, a full stack developer has a broad skill set and can take care of all aspects of a web application development, from the user-facing interface to the server infrastructure. Now, how to become a full stack developer, you ask? We have a roadmap for that. That's the important point of today's discussion. So, the important stages through which you will be going for becoming a full stack developer are: learn the basics of front-end and back-end, master front-end and explore back-end technologies, understand the databases, get hands-on experience with your learnings. Next, you have APIs. Followed by that, you have to explore through DevOps and deployment, and also SRE could also be an added benefit. Then, accept the fact that it is a continuous learning journey. And finally, build a portfolio and, if possible, collaborate and contribute to the developers' communities. So these are the steps to become a full stack developer. Now, this is the procedure to become a full stack developer. Now, we will discuss each one of these individual steps in the roadmap to become a successful full stack developer. Having said that, we will begin with the steps to become a full stack developer. As mentioned before, the first step is learn the basics. Start by gaining a strong foundation in programming languages like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. These are essential for front-end development. Next is master the front-end technologies. So, dive deeper into front-end development by learning popular frameworks and libraries such as React, Angular, or Vue.js. Understand the concepts like responsive design and user experience principles. Next ahead, we have to explore the backend technologies. Familiarize yourself with backend technologies such as server-side programming languages like Python, JavaScript, Node.js, or Ruby. Learn about the frameworks like Express.js or Django. Next ahead, we have databases. Gain knowledge of database management systems like MySQL, PostgreSQL, or MongoDB. Learn how to design and interact with databases effectively. Next is get hands-on experience. Practice building small projects to apply what you have learned. This helps solidify your skills and gives you a portfolio to showcase your work. Next ahead, learn APIs. Understand how to create and consume APIs to enable communication between different parts of web applications. Explore DevOps and deployment. Familiarize yourself with deployment technologies and practices. Learn about version control systems like Git and gain knowledge of cloud platforms like AWS and Azure. Next ahead is continuous learning. Stay updated with latest trends, technologies, and frameworks. Attending webinars, workshops, or online courses like MindMajix can help you expanding your knowledge. Next step is build a portfolio. Create a portfolio showcasing your projects. It demonstrates your capabilities to potential employers or clients. And finally, collaborate and contribute. Engage with developer community by participating in open source projects or collaborating with other developers. This helps improve your skills and network. And finally, the most important query that we receive is, how much time should I dedicate to become a completely professional full stack? If you're a beginner or have a fundamental knowledge on full stack development, then 3 months is minimum time required to become a full stack developer. However, You may take around 3 to 6 months to excel in the profession if you are a complete beginner taking hands-on courses or boot camps like MindMajix Full Stack Developer course. Now with this, let's proceed to the next stage where we will learn about the prerequisites and skills required to become a full stack developer. So, to become a full stack developer, you will need the following important technical skills. First, programming languages. Proficiency in multiple programming languages such as JavaScript, Python, and Java to handle both front-end and back-end development. Next is the front-end development part of full stack development. Knowledge of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript frameworks like React, Angular, or Vue.js for creating user interfaces and responsive web design is a must. Next in the list is the back-end development part. Understanding of server-side technologies like Node.js, PHP, or Java to build robust and scalable web applications and APIs is very important. Proceeding ahead, you need to have a comfortable understanding of databases. Familiarity with database management systems like MySQL, PostgreSQL, or MongoDB, along with the ability to write efficient SQL queries, can be a real deal. Next ahead is the version control. Experience with version control systems like Git to manage code repositories and collaborate with other developers effectively. Proceeding ahead, we have web services and APIs. Understanding of RESTful APIs and knowledge of integrating third-party services like payment gateways or social media platforms to web applications can be an added advantage. Moving ahead, we have web security. Awareness of common web vulnerabilities and best practices for securing web applications, including authentication, authorization, and data validation, can be a very good advantage. Moving ahead, the next important skill set or prerequisite is software testing. Proficiency in writing unit tests, conducting automated testing, and debugging code to ensure the quality and functionality of an application is very important. Next, let us discuss about the organizations or full stack developers. So the following are the organizations which are completely dependent on full stack developers. Firstly, we have the tech startups, which are nothing but the organizations which are in the budding stage. Next is small and medium-sized enterprises, which casually include the e-commerce websites or financial websites. Next is digital agencies, which also cover the banking sector. And then we have product companies and also freelancers and consultants. Let's discuss each one of these in a bit more detail. First is the tech startups. Startups often have limited resources and need developers who can handle multiple aspects of software development, which includes both back-end, front-end, and user interface. Next is the banking and finance. Full-stack developers are crucial in finance and banking because they can handle end-to-end development, manage financial data security, integrate financial APIs, ensure compliance and provide efficient problem solving, contribute to smooth operation, security, and innovation of financial services. Next in the docket is small and medium-scale enterprises. SMEs in this case is small and medium-scale enterprises. They may not have budget dedicatedly for specialized front-end and back-end developers. So they happen to completely rely on full-stack developers to build them both front-end and back-end. Next in the list is e-commerce. Full-stack developers handle front-end development, implement robust back-end systems, integrate payment gateways and third-party APIs, optimize performance, and ensure complete data security in form of e-commerce. Next in the list is digital agencies. Agencies that offer websites and application development services benefit from full-stack developers who can handle client projects. Next on the list is automobile industry. Full-stack developers are essential in automobile industry as they can develop and maintain software for in-car infotainment systems, vehicle diagnostics, GPS navigation, and connectivity features. They can integrate sensors, design user interfaces, handle data processing, and ensure seamless communication between the vehicle and external systems, contributing to the advanced technology and functionality of modern automobiles. Next on the list is product companies. Companies that develop software products, whether they are web-based or mobile-based applications, often rely on full-stack developers. And lastly, we have freelancers and consultants. Mainly freelancers and consultants position themselves as full-stack developers to offer a wide range of services to their clients. So with that having said, we will move ahead to the most important aspect of today's session, that is salary of a full stack developer. So if you are a full stack developer in the United States of America, then you can expect salaries up to $150,000 or more per annum based on your experience. The average salary figures of a full stack developer in the United States of America, according to websites like Indeed, Glassdoor, etc., is $120,000 to $150,000 per annum. This is the average salary range for a full stack developer, but based on your experience and caliber, you can even earn more. When matters come to India, the salary of a full stack developer per annum, based on the websites like Glassdoor, Indeed, etc., ranges from 12 lakhs to 20 lakhs per annum. Again, based on your experience and skill set and the organization you're working for, based on your project, etc., and other parameters, your salary may also go all the way up to 30 lakhs per annum. With that having said, let's discuss with the organizations that are continuously hiring full stack developers. The list goes on and on, but the major companies that we have to discuss today are Google, Apple, Uber, Meta, Amazon, and Netflix. There are a few more companies which are on the Tier 1 grade, which are completely dependent and relies on full stack developers. So with a proper certification and skill set, you can become one and earn a good career from it. With that, let's get to the most important part of today's session. How can MindMajix help you? MindMajix full stack training develops your skills in both front-end and back-end web technologies with hands-on sessions. This course leads you through the fundamentals of web development, JavaScript, jQuery, React.js, Node.js, and many more. This course also includes 50 hours of sessions, 45 hours of labs, flexible schedules, free demo on requests, 24/7 lifetime support, one-on-one doubt clearing sessions, certification-oriented curriculum, and real-time project use cases. The full stack course content will include HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, and much more. And you have 8+ more lessons on this particular session. And by clicking on more options, you can get to know what exactly is being covered in each and individual sections of this particular course. And you'll also have hands-on projects and much more. Please visit to the homepage of MindMajix full stack development course and you will get more details on this particular course. The link to this course is attached in the description box below, and that link should navigate you to this particular web page. And with that, we have come to an end of this session on full stack developer roadmap from MindMajix. If you have any queries regarding any of the topics covered in this session, or should you feel that we missed out on a point or two, please do let us know in the comment section below, and our experts will be answering you as soon as possible. Until next time, thank you and stay safe.